I got you all on film.
Huh?
Being a snitch.
Yeah.
Now I got proof. Being a snitch.
Everywhere I go is Christmas. A town filled with wonder and delight. The season to rejoice brings everybody close. But I'll be missing you right next to me.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. Let's get it. I'm getting a late start on Vlogmas today. I've been working all day and yeah, I've been working. So I know yesterday I told y'all that it was gonna be like a really short vlog, and it actually ended up being really kind of long. I had to break it down. It was like a whole bunch of shit that really wasn't shit that I didn't even realize, I guess, you know, I filmed or whatever. So yeah, I'm about to, this one really is going to be really short though. It's going to be really short. Of course, I already gave y'all a disclaimer. I look hood, very hood today. You can tell I'm out of shape. I just walked up those steps and baby, I am out of breath, but that's okay because we're working on that. We're working out, we're working on that. So the only thing that I really have planned today is I want to start doing like more family oriented things with my son, because as he's gotten older, you know, I really have slacked off of, you know, doing those things. Where's my phone? Just flashed, but I don't know where the hell it is. Okay. So yeah, I really like slacked on doing those little family oriented things with my child a lot, because he's a teenager now, so he don't be fucking with me. He really don't be fucking with me. Like, yeah, I remember how I was as a teenager. Like, he don't be trying to hear me, y'all, at all. So we're gonna make hot chocolate today. That's his thing, not mine. I don't like chocolate, but I am going to try something different. And see maybe if I can drink it, or if I would like it better this way. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And like, cut the ums. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yesterday was my first time making a reel on Instagram. It was my first time, so I enjoyed it. It was simpler than I thought, or it was more simple. It was more simple than I thought. And yeah, I want to make another one today, so I am gonna make another one. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I think I already have something in mind, but yes, like, if I do another one, I'm gonna get hooked on these little things. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, baby, be prepared, because I'm just gonna be reeling it. I'm gonna be keeping it real. Period. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing more reels on Instagram, and I'm kind of excited about that. Especially the one that I'm gonna do today. So yeah, and the one that I did yesterday was of my Jordan 11s. I said that I was gonna do like a little review on that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I got a dope ass thumbnail picture for that one though, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not, but we'll see. But anyway, stay tuned. It's really gonna be really short today. I told you I'm gonna get this video filmed and then upload it, so I'm not up all night trying to edit and upload a video. It's gonna be short, sweet. It's gonna be raw and to the point. And when I say raw, it's gonna be barely edited. It's gonna be me like I am now, hood out, my little sweats and my hair not done in it is what it is. Ashton gonna be put together because he just came home from school. If he ain't wasted shit on this, you know, what teenagers do. But yeah, me, I'm gonna be looking a mess, period. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back. Vlogmas day 2. We still going strong. Another day looking rough as hell. Another day with this little nigga on my face. But yeah, my camera is kind of lopsided because of the way I have it propped up. And I tried to see if I could, but I have a special guest in the kitchen today. You coming, bud? Come on. And my son is here with me. We're gonna make hot chocolate together because he loves hot chocolate. Well, he likes it. I don't know if I love it. Do you love it? Look at him. You all have never seen. Really? So this is my son. This is AJ. And he's going to be doing, I had your pot over here, but we can switch it around. So he's going to be doing the regular hot chocolate. So this is his stuff. And then me, since I don't like chocolate, I'm going to try hot white chocolate. Here. So what we're going to do, here, I'm gonna get the scissors. And I swear he really does talk, y'all. I'm gonna cut mine open and we just gonna put them for the hot chocolate. I'm gonna do the small pot. So I have my small pot. He has his little medium-sized pot. Here, you can use this to cut yours. My phone went dead. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the morsels in the pot. And I didn't do a lot because this pot is like really, really tiny. It's really small. So I poured a little bit in there. You can pour more in yours. So cut yours and pour a little more in yours. So I'm going to cut on the stove and we're going to melt our morsels first. Okay. So do you have your, cut your morsels. So since he's doing the regular chocolate, he's gonna do the semi-sweet morsels, and then actually this one, you just tear, see? And the cocoa powder. And I got shit all on my one. That's about right. So pour your morsels. Did you cut your morsels? So I'm gonna go ahead and put mine on a pot because you know he tripping. I mean, put my pot. No, what happened? My battery exhausted. Okay, so he put his chocolate chips in there already. So we're gonna. That's about all you want to do.
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna turn the fire down. We want them to melt low. All right, put your pot on the stove. And you have your rubber spoon too, because as it melts, you're gonna stir it. Make sure it's on fire. Here's your spoon. Okay, so we're just waiting for our chocolate morsels to melt. And then once they do, what we're using milk, so whole milk, and then The white chocolate morsels are already kind of sweet. You see, I got stuff all over me already. The white chocolate morsels are already kind of sweet, but he's dealing with semi-sweet morsels. So instead of using like white sugar, I mean, to each his own, but I'm like that. So instead of doing that to sweeten the hot chocolate, I'm gonna do condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. And that's gonna give it a richer, creamier flavor along with the milk, as well as sweeten it up a lot. Is it starting to melt? Yep. So you just stir it. Stir it up until it melts completely. And then you'll notice that as you're stirring it, it starts to melt more. See, you notice it?
What are you making? Making your salad. I ain't got my bacon bits right here.
It's some in that pantry. You want a salad bud? Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, my chocolate is already creamy. So I'm not doing much more to mine. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up the milk with the condensed milk. And as you just get in there. Is this mixed up?
Get through. You don't clean that kitchen up. Don't tell your mama asked to mess that up, okay?
I got you all on film.
Huh?
Being a snitch.
Yeah.
Now I got proof.
Yeah.
Being a snitch.
I am the house snitch.
Show your face. Look at this.
Leon sang it. The house snitch. Now you got that.
I'm gonna keep it in there too.
Yeah. And if I come over here and with your friend, they know what to do. Say, Mr. Sandwich Snitch, you got to wipe him and say, yeah, Mr. Sandwich Snitch, I'm gonna tell it all.
Okay, so Ashton has melted his chocolate. So now we're going to pour in some milk and just gradually pour it in. Here, put it back on the stove. Because it's gonna harden up. You don't want to keep that spoon in there because that's where all the stuff is. So just gradually pour in the milk like this. I'm gonna show you. So don't do it like this. I'm just going for camera sake. You can hold it like that and then just pour it in. Pour a little bit at a time. Don't do what I did. I'm over here wasting everything.
That's all time.
You know what, Daddy? Okay, now stir it up.
I got your back, Ashton, because they're going to tell your mama you messed the kitchen up.
Oh, for sure.
I got your back. Yeah, for folk got your back, bitch. Anything eat up down your Ashton. Ashton, goddamn. Yeah, allow my baby won't even come downstairs. That's the way they do though. They tell it, they lie. So y'all tell the tales too.
Realize that I'm doing hot white chocolate because it's looking really weird.
See this boy sing.
Okay, so I tasted mine and mine is a little bit too chocolatey, so I'm adding more milk to it. You want to add more milk? You want to taste it? Where's your spoon? Let it mix up. Let it melt that off the spoon. You can taste it and see.
Too hot.
No. Add a little bit more milk. There you go. Now stir it around. Now you got cocoa. Okay, so we're gonna, you see this mess we done made on the stove, y'all? Like we messy. We messy with it, look.
I didn't do anything.
We all met. Oh man. Okay, so Ashton's chocolate is a little bitter, so we're gonna add the condensed milk to it. Here, you wanna pour some in there? And it. Really?
Can't pour it. Won't pour it. Can't pour it. Won't pour it. See? Won't pour it. See?
Don't, no.
See, look.
Don't pour it. Here, pour. Yeah, I told you that, remember? But what?
You know why.
Okay, here, stir it up. Put your, you want marshmallows in it? Is that enough? Or you want to fill to the top?
No.
All right, get your marshmallows. And you can put it over here. Really? Why you throw it in there like that? Leave it up to you. Oh my gosh. Why are you this way? Alright y'all, so I told y'all it was a real quick video. Like, I really hope the footage that I got is good enough to put together for this vid. Ashton finished his chocolate up. I already fixed it and he's gone upstairs. I'm about to fix mine, which is the white chocolate. And I've determined I don't like no chocolate. But this one is a little better. A little better than the dark. So I'm gonna pour it up and that's gonna be good night.